Technology can either help you do your work or create more work for you. When you're spending your time making sure the instruments are working right, not to mention all the time it takes to document that your work meets a myriad of regulatory requirements.
The reason we need an instrument to help us do QC right is that when we're short of time, we're short of personnel skills, then we have to automate our processes. We have to automate quality control to be sure that it's done right.
In my opinion, the perfect black box for an instrument prototype would be the soda vending machine. You put your money in, you make your selection, and you get your product. The GEM Premier 3000 is certainly very close to the perfect black box. All the analyst needs to do is to present the sample to the instrument takes over and does all the analytical processes, makes a variety of quality checks, and generates a quality assured result.
So now you can stop focusing on your analyzer and spend more time with what matters most, quality patient care. Introducing Instrumentation Laboratories GEM Premier 3000 IQM Intelligent Quality Management System, a revolutionary advancement in quality control for critical care testing. With lab quality results, onboard continuous quality management, automatic corrective action, reduced time to error detection from hours to minutes, and documentation for regulatory compliance. You know all too well what can happen to patient care when a system fails. You're also probably all too familiar with what it takes to perform external quality control. But are you even sure that your QC methods are giving you the consistent quality you need? How do you define quality?
Are our current QC methods good enough? The answer to that is no. I've spent the last 10 years of my career assessing quality, and I can tell you that QC methods are not good enough for patient care today.
The testing process is traditionally broken down into 3 phases. This includes the pre-analytical phase, the analytical phase, and finally the post-analytical phase. Since errors can be generated in all 3 phases need to be monitored and safeguards need to be built in.
With IQM, the system tracks all components of analytical testing, including QC requirements and documentation, calibration verification, and monitoring sample integrity, so you don't have to. And unlike traditional QC, where minimum regulatory requirements set QC checks every 8 hours, IQM conducts continuous quality assessment and ongoing checks of the analytical process, including sensor and instrument function checks. What happens when you encounter problems with traditional QC? Do you know what to do if your system fails?
If we don't know how to fix the problem, then we run the risk of reporting poor test results. The quality of the work can go down. We may have more downtime with our instrument systems. We will provide poorer service.
With IQM, the system not only checks for errors, but also takes immediate action to correct the problem.
IQM, with its many processes and quality checks, actually exceeds what traditional QC is capable of assessing.
You've seen what IQM can do to assure quality. Next, we'll show you how IQM works. IQM, the Intelligent Quality Management System, with its unique active process control, automatically ensures that the GEM Premier 3000 provides accurate and precise results at all times, so you can let the system do the work for you. Each cartridge has 3 internal process control solutions that are manufactured to reference standards and is fully automated by the Intelligent Process Control software. After initial warm-up, external calibration validation products, CVP, are analyzed to verify the cartridge calibration, so you can be sure nothing has happened during shipping or storage. Then, once validated, the analyzer automatically monitors the status of the analytical system throughout the life of the cartridge. And if it needs adjustments, the system automatically does it for you. Unlike systems that use electronic quality control, which may leave errors undetected, IQM's active process control analyzes process control solutions in the same way a patient's sample is analyzed, so the total analytic process is verified. And, unlike systems with auto QC modules that add mechanical components, IQM's process control solutions are incorporated into the cartridge. With IQM, process control solutions are automatically monitored every 30 seconds and run with every patient sample, with additional checks every 4 and 24 hours. The process checks are subjected to the same statistical analysis. The values of the process control solutions are compared to known values, further assuring quality. The delta of the process control reading versus the known value is evaluated every time it is analyzed. Instrumentation Laboratory has used over 15 years of accumulated data to define the performance patterns for the most common problems and have incorporated this knowledge into the software. Thus, the software is able to detect patterns such as interfering substances or microclots. In addition, IQM conducts continuous active process checks to monitor performance of sensors, solutions, electronic components, and software. And if any system check fails, the analyzer automatically takes corrective action, so you don't have to. The easy-to-use system lets you know the status at all times, so you can be assured of quality results. With IQM, the system not only analyzes and corrects problems, but does the documenting for you. With at least the same laboratory quality results and assurance as traditional QC, IQM's corrective action system records, stores, and enables you to print corrective action reports.
IQM's automated documentation feature assures the collection of the appropriate information. Now, the regulatory requirements are met, and this requirement is taken out of the hands of the analyst.
So you can rest assured that you are delivering the best quality results to your patients, while minimizing the time and cost of quality assurance documentation. With the GEM Premier 3000 Intelligent Quality Management System, you get active management and monitoring of the analyzer's performance, ensuring precision and accuracy of test results. A completely automated system with no human intervention or time-consuming external QC required. Continuous total process control to reduce time to error detection from hours to minutes. Automatic corrective action, so if there is a problem, you don't have to worry about fixing it. And detailed documentation that assures regulatory inspectors that you are delivering quality results.
Certainly time is money, and analysts in today's healthcare environment do not have the time. So anything that is done automatically for them is a time saver and consequently a money saver.
Better quality that also saves you time and money.
Certainly IQM sets a new standard for the future of QC. It shows what a manufacturer can really do to build quality into an analytical system.
IQM, it's the smart solution, so you can take care of patients, not equipment.